In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money on your Bet365 account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the Bet365 app on my mobile device. So go ahead and click into that. Alright, I need to turn developer mode off. You probably won't get that message. Alright, so once you've opened up your app, you need to click onto your user profile, top right hand corner. Don't click on a deposit, click on the icon. And now from here, you want to click onto my account. This is going to direct you inside your account. And now you're on the My Account tab. What you need to do is scroll across and click onto the Bank tab. And then simply click on Withdraw. And now you can withdraw your funds from here. Just go through the process. I don't have any current funds inside Bet365, so I can't show you directly how to do it. But yeah, come to here and you'll be able to do it here. So you need to have an active payment method to withdraw funds. So you'll be able to add that in, or you've already got that in because you've deposited money into your account.